Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chat. And in today's video, I will show you how to see your block user and how you can probably unblock them or permanently remove them from your Google account without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chat, and then you want to make sure you come to the top right here, click on settings, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on access restrictions right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on block user, manage block user right here. And it's going to redirect right here. The list of everyone you have blocked so far is going to be found right here. So if you want to unblock them, you just want to make sure you highlight. And the next thing you want to do is to right click on copy, then come back to chat right here. You want to come here, paste their user right here, and then you have them right here. Hit enter. Then here you go, you have them blocking, message, tap to view, things like that. So this is the person you block right here.